Finally, a guaranteed way for us to earn free crypto. Brand new browse and earn app turns. Leisure browsing into free coins every 5 minutes. We earn crypto multiple times every hour, every day, 24/7 simply. Playing games, watching videos, and browsing websites. We earn crypto multiple times every hour, every day, 24/7. Simply. Playing games, watching videos, and browsing websites. 100% free, no budget needed, PayPal, Stripe, and more, except crypto. Once Coinpayz is activated, we earn crypto worth $5–10 every 5 minutes. Just one click to leverage the crypto rage. Earn Bitcoin, Doge, LTC, Dash while doing things we love online. 100% free, no budget needed. PayPal, Stripe, and more, except crypto. 100% legal and ethical. So easy a teenager could do it. Zero technical or investing skill required. The more we browse, more we earn. 365-day money guarantee. We will send you $300 if you fail. My crypto wallet has been credited with 0.4213 Bitcoins. That's over 10K, wow. I can't be more thrilled. After a lot of hardships and constant failing, I can now do what I like online and make money too. Thanks to the uber cool new system that gets me a passive income. Not just once, but several times every day. How did I pull it off? Well, let me first tell you what I didn't do. Mining, DeFi yield farming. Airdrop, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, e-com, freelancing, blogging, vlogging. These sure are the standard ways to make money online or earn crypto. That requires skill, knowledge, experience, and a bit of luck. But what if I tell you there's an even better, faster, and much easier way to earn crypto? It's the latest, better, and most kick-ass app in town. Everybody and their dog is online for the better part of their day. But what most people don't know is that there's a crypto mine hidden right under their noses. And our Magic app is allowing us to exploit this $3 trillion market and helping us earn coins worth 97 to 197 several times in a day. More leisure browsing, more free coins for us. We were surprised to see how we were constantly earning free coins. All we had to do was watch cool videos or sign up for exciting services. That takes just a few seconds. Or share our opinion on popular products and businesses. And we got paid free coins worth $197 every time we did all that. And it's all made possible with our Magic app. It earns us free crypto for doing all the fun stuff on the internet. And our Magic app turns all the fun stuff into free crypto. Our app has done all the heavy lifting for you. We could earn huge amounts of crypto without having to learn any technical skill, invest a dime, make a website, worry about depreciating value, do anything complicated. We could literally just register and keep making money every 15 minutes. Here's what our early results looked like. Day number 1 earnings, the earnings started small. Not bad for day number 1, playing games, watching funny videos, and browsing social accounts. Day number 2 earnings, next day, our profits doubled. We knew this was going to get serious. Day number 3 earnings, and it kept growing. Day number 5 earnings. Then we finally hit 508 per day. And in just 30 days, we were raking in 9,490 in pure profits. Siyun's app was proven reliable. This Magic app continued to make us money day after day, week after week. And the cherry on the cake is, we had wiped out everything that needed extra costs or expenses. And no supplement tools. Where is this free crypto coming from? Let me take you through how the system works. All we gotta do is play games, watch videos, review products and services, and we can earn free crypto worth $5–10 every 5 minutes. Over and over again, non-stop. And hey, it's 100% legal, ethical, and risk-free. It doesn't require you to invest a dime. The more we play games and watch videos, the more we earn. All this in just one click, and there's no looking back. It's a piece of cake. The more we play, watch, or browse, the more we profit. I understand it's confusing how much money we could make, but these little payments take less time than you can imagine, and they blow up into huge, ongoing, long-term income. It might sound crazy at first, but earning crypto and making money has never been this easy. It's simple. The more we play games, watch videos, and share comments, the more we earn. Just one click and say hello to unlimited profits. Works for everyone, so simple, even a kid can do it. World's first tool makes us free. Crypto worth $5–10 every 5 minutes. Grab Coinpayz at a one-time price of $19,497 monthly. Pay just $19 once and use forever. Secure your license today and save with launch exclusive one-time pricing. Join it through my links in description to avail huge bonuses.